Ladies and gentlemen, this is the newest Jeepney I have ever seen in the Philippines, and apparently it comes with a video screen, and then all the seats have headrests, and it even has a storage up on top. Now, to go from here to Tagbilaran is 20 pesos or 40 cents. Now, these are the older Jeepneys, which I will show you now. In a video format. These are the new Jeepneys. They have a nice ladder that goes up to the roof. New interiors. Nice. Aircon in the front. Very nice. Mahal kayo. And those are the nice. Those are the older Jeepneys. I'll show you the inside of the older Jeepneys. Is this Tagbilaran? Over there. Okay. Why did he point? These are the older Jeepneys. Mayan buntag. Why did he do that to me? And that's it. That's the new one. And that's the old one. Huh. I didn't really want to wait. Thanks for watching my videos.
Video mga guwapo migo. Video guwapo. Madagko utin.
The gamay utin?
Gamay utin, dako mo utin.
The gamay. Which one?
Mura upo.
Opo utin. Opo utin. The gamay utin. The tambok utin. The taas utin. The bakakun ka man over there. Newang. Well, the Philippines is certainly progressing rapidly since I got here. Look at this Jeepney. Oh my goodness. What a beautiful machine. And God day to everybody. From Michael Fazio and Daisy May in the Philippines, baby.